Hey guys, this is me again. This is Jackson Larkin, also known as Airsoft Manny, and part of Illinois Menace Paintball Team. Sorry for that. So we have Phantom Fireworks. This is buy one get one free. We got 100% off and 50% off. So we are gonna try and buy a lot of stuff this year. We might get one of these bigger assortments. Cause look, I don't know if you can read this. It says second one free. We have. I'm gonna record some of them, but most of these were taken to cousin's house, in which I can't record. So I don't know. Probably not gonna buy any of these. Niagara Falls. It's called Niagara Falls. That's what she said. So they gotta buy one get one free on this stuff. We're not allowed to have these in Illinois, so we're not getting them. So next, we're gonna need some novelties, sparklers, morning glories, stuff like that, Roman candles. Then we're gonna need some rockets, some black hat ones. We got firecrackers, like 1,000, I think. And then we're gonna go get some fountains. We're gonna get a bunch of these coral reefs, and then we're gonna get like purple rain and blue magic. Those things we used last year, they were really nice. And some tubes too. Those are pretty damn awesome. Aerial repeaters. These things are things that go up in the air and they just keep going and keep going until, they just go up in the air and just pop. We're getting this one here. I don't know if you can see it. There's one right here. It's called Phantom Crackling Missile Base. Really nice. We used it last year. And then we used these Power Play. This is a very nice one. I like this. We are not getting a nail. So things. We are getting a mortar kit. I think we're spending on like 700, I believe. I don't know. We're getting a lock and load. And then we bought another one. It's Excalibur. So these are the ones we can't record because I don't want to get in trouble. So next is 500 meters. These things just keep going. And we are not. So down. Yeah, we're not getting any of these. We don't want them. Is that it? Yeah, pretty much. It's very small. I'm gonna show this guy. Yep. Our products. So just forget all of that. I guess maybe just, I don't know, there's like no thing, maybe home. Yeah. We're going to Lake Geneva to get these all. There we go. Here we go. So we're getting a bunch of fountains, and we're getting some TNT stuff. We found a store in Lake Geneva there, and yeah, we're going Sunday for Father's Day. My dad actually wanted to go. I'm like, damn. Because I have a game tomorrow. I have a baseball game. First place. Yep. Now fountains are really fun. Honestly, they make some good ones, but there's only one that I like. This one's really nice too. This one, Fiery Frogs, it's pretty damn awesome. You get what you want out of it. It's kind of cute. It just goes up and then pops. Next, it's the coral reef. I would recommend getting this. We used it last year. Oh my god, it's awesome. It shoots off 3 ways. It's not as big as you think. It's kind of powdery, but it's nicer. Parachutes. So we're not getting any parachutes from here because I found one that shoots 460 to 490. I always wondered what this was. Duck command. Oh. Oh, it's like duck hunt and stuff. I don't know why they made these. Now firecrackers. I love firecrackers and we've used them for a long time. They don't use Black Cat, they only use Wolfpack. I don't like Wolfpack. I like Black Cat. We are getting some of these salute crackers, jumbo silver salute. I wish they had some heavy salute. Those things are loud, like a gunshot. They have a 1,000 count strip of that. Holy crap! Oh no, we're getting that. $20, damn, jumbo. They're like M200s. And we're getting a 1,000 strip. But it's Black Cat. So we're actually gonna go to TNT. Hold on. There we go. Now we will be getting some novelties and sparklers. The one thing I'm getting is this thing. Oh my god, shoots 490 parachutes out of one. So we're getting like 4, I believe. So we have like 2,000. Then we're getting like a few that shoot like 40 or something. I think it shoots like 37. Then we're like 3. So we're having like 2,000 shoot off. And we'll fill the backgrounds. It's a block party, so that's pretty fun. But yeah, but we're gonna try and get one of these maybe. If they have any, that'd be awesome. Yeah, pretty much. Now, Roman candles. I'm gonna do someday when I get older. We're gonna do a Roman candle war. It's fun. I've done it before, and I'm gonna do it with my friends one day. One day. We're getting the final salute because they're not loud, big or something. That's what she said. Last year I'll show you what we used. Oh, they don't have it here anymore. Oh yeah, here. The 8-ball titanium Roman candles. These things are really nice, but they go like. So that's good for like fights. But even on ammo quickly. I'm gonna do one day with the fight. Laser candle. These. Oh my god. 120 shots. I'm gonna see if we can find one of these and get one. Cause. And here we're getting a bunch of fountains. We might get some delirium. I'm not getting the coral fish or whatever it's called. We might be getting some open show. We might getting some Sparknado, or let's do this thing is awesome. We might get that one the most. I'm gonna try and get like 5 or 6 of these guys, because they're nice. And we are only having a little people coming to our house. What I do want is a closing ceremony. Dude, this thing is awesome. We did it last year. It goes like, it's pretty damn loud. I don't get why these are. Oh, we're gonna jumbo Purple Rain. We did a Purple Rain last year, and I saw a video on that one. On this, the jumbo one is better. Nice. Then we're getting the American Light Fountain. Maybe a Shimmering Light. Then we get Pyropalooza. Or Flash Dance. Jumbo California Candle, that's what she said. I guess we're gonna do the video. Hope it don't get copyright. I don't know. Kinda cool, I guess. I thought it was like a candle. It looks like a flare. That's what it looks like. Honestly. Yeah, it's kind of a flare until that. I don't know, maybe. If you have a glove on, I don't know. I'll hold one. Nope. Hold that. It just gets all over your hand. When you take out your hand, that's all black. That's pretty damn cool. If you do find a TNT stand, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get an Excel spread press, I think. Spreadsheet, I don't know. We are going to Shelton Fireworks. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here, guys. Hope you guys liked that video. This is Jackson Larkin, part of Airsoft Community and Illinois Madness Paintball Team. Goodbye. And this is the firework crew. So yeah, we're gonna get another one in a little bit.